Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to check bank balance using mobile number without going to the bank or ATM. Step 1. Make sure your mobile number is registered with your bank. If your mobile number is not linked with your bank account, visit your nearest branch and get it updated. Without it, you cannot check your balance. This is important. None of the method work unless your number is linked. Step 2. Use missed call banking. No internet needed. If you have no internet, you can use this step. Dial the missed call number of your bank from your registered mobile number. After a few seconds, your call will disconnect automatically and you will receive an SMS with your current balance. Here are the numbers for Popular Bank. For SBI, call 092237666666. HDFC, call 18002703. For ICICI, call 9594612612. For Kotak Mahindra, call 180027401110. For Bank of Baroda, call 8468001111. Pro tip: save the number in your contacts for faster access. Step 3. Use SMS banking. If missed call doesn't work, try SMS balance check. Send a specific QR to your bank's number. For example, SBI user can send PAL to this number. You will receive a reply SMS with your balance. You can check your bank website for the right format. Step 4. Use your bank's official mobile passbook app. Most banks have a mobile app you can install to check balance, view statement and more. Here are few: SBI, SBI Uno or SBI Quick. For HDFC, mobile banking app. ICICI, iMobile Pay. For Kotak, it's Kotak 811. For Axis, it's Axis mobile app. To check your balance, download your bank's app from Google Play or App Store. Log in your account with mobile number and OTP. Tap on accounts or balance to view your current balance. Step 5. Use UPI apps as backup. In this step, the internet is required. If your bank app is not working, use apps like PhonePe, Google Pay or Paytm. Here's how. Open the UPI app, select your bank account, tap check balance, enter your UPI PIN and done. Final step, you're all set. Now you know multiple ways to check your balance. It can be missed calls, SMS, official bank app and UPI apps. No need to visit ATM or branch anymore. All from your phone. So like this, you can check your balance without internet or going to the bank or to the ATM. If this helped, click the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.